Alright, over here for the Telluride, and very nice kind of flat gloss on the blue, but then with the blackout, the flat gloss. Black.
Yeah, that's definitely a full gloss.
Yeah,
solid,
okay.
No metallic.
Yeah, looks a little bit on the flatter side, but yeah, no metallic though. But yeah, definitely looks good with the flat black as well, or flat black gloss. If you want, you know what I mean. No metallic, but then ooh, yeah. I like the headlights. That looks pretty cool. It definitely looks really nice. Walking around, you got the nice black accent on the top. You got the wheels, which look pretty good. Could use a splash of color with the brakes though, kind of to break it up. So this is the X Pro Telluride. Not bad on the tail lights. Looks pretty good. Like that. And then you got just one exhaust there as well. That's not bad. That's cool. Let's see, does this open up back here? There it goes. Perfect, so you got a little button there. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so third row comes to right there. Looks like you can lay that flat. Looks like that is kind of kept still. Wow. I think that's supposed to stay. They don't have a way to open that up. That's interesting. But yeah, look at the nice interior here with the dark blue. So this blue with this tan, very nice. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so check out the interior here. Oh yeah, so you got your black, you got your kind of textured, kind of give you a carbon fiber feel. Then we got some chrome, but yeah, got that nice splash of color for the interior. Then that matches with the seats, which looks really good. Not really. What? Oh yeah. Want to try that out again?
No.
Okay.
I've been done before. No, it's good.
Let's see. We got one bottle in the door that we can fit, and then we got 1 and 2 cup holders there in the middle that you can use. Also, you got a pretty good backspace to store stuff. That looks pretty good. And then all of the signals here, they all kind of have a little illumination so you can actually see them in the dark. So that's kind of nice. And also, you got your screen if you need it. Yeah, so really not bad. Then in the front here, giant speaker right off the bat in the door, which looks really good. How does this work? Oh, that's how that works. Okay. So you reach your finger back there, you kind of do that. You kind of think like you do something right here, but you reach up like that. That's how you do that. Got another bottle in the door space. We got 1, 2 cup holders there in the middle. Not bad. I do like that you got 2 handles here to kind of move yourself around with if you want. You got the nice flat back leather on the top here. We got the nice texture right here. Then you would go to the chrome, and then ooh yeah, it's a. So this is, you got the leather right here, but then you got the plastic part of the dash which matches, because this is not leather. That's smart. But it matches so it goes across evenly. That looks pretty cool.
Is also embossed for this trim.
Oh yeah, X Pro. That's nice. All right, well let's get in. Feel how this feels. A little bit hard to get in, but ooh,
running boards.
Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Ooh, got a giant open-door sunroof there. Open it up there.
Hardened stereo.
Got some nice lights, everything. We got the same basic look to the steering wheel and everything. Ooh, nice feel to the steering wheel. Feels pretty good. Got your gear shifter. Ooh, this one once again has your separate button for your parking brake right there. We got our drive modes right here that we can swap through. So that's nice. Comfort, sports, and other. So you can go through there and swap through that. You got your gear shifter, which is nice. Ooh, we do have a USB and a USB-C in here, so you can swap between different power cables and stuff if you need to. Also, you got your options for your seats. So you can vent or you can heat. That's nice. That's very nice. Alrighty. And then you got all of your AC controls right here that you can also sync, it looks like. Then got map, nav, radio, media. Nice. I like that. So that's your easy button right there. Then nice little integration of the air vents. That's cool. I like how you got the seat options right here for heated and vent. That's pretty cool. But yeah, not bad on the space there either. Nice looking interior.
very impressed with Kia. I wish the motors would be better, so hopefully
Yep.
they are. But look at this spec. Sorento X-Line SX Prestige 2.5 all-wheel drive.
First
Alright,
off, it needs a
so-
shorter name. We'll go with that.
2.5 turbo, 281 horsepower, 311 pounds of torque,
8-speed,
8-speed dual clutch auto transmission.
all-wheel drive plus terrain mode.
Could this be an Audi S3, S5 competitor? I don't know, but
Take a look at the seats.
interior,
Ooh.
sporty grab handles.
Yeah.
You got your textured faux wood,
Cup holder.
your leather trim, fancy schmancy there.
I do like how
Soft touch.
across the Hyundai motors you have this. You can just reach your hand in and choo, 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 choo. I do like that because it's nice and smooth and natural. I like that.
Nice textured steering wheel.
Okay.
It's more of an oblong. It's kind of like a stretched circle now.
Yeah, it
You
is.
got that
Yeah.
beautiful seat. You
Yep.
got your X-Line embossed in the seat.
Nice. Oh, and you also got, once again, so this is the same as the Telluride over there. You got your vented buttons right here, so you can switch from heated. You got your switch, so you can hit switch from heated to just vented, and you got 3 different vented modes to be able to go through, so you get more air through the seat. So that's pretty
But
cool.
you
But
have
you
a
have individually that you can
Gear
switch it.
shifter and paddle
Yes, yes, exactly. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and that's a nicely done paddle shifter. Look at that right there, just tick, tick. And then, yeah, that's nice. And once again, parking brake. Oh, and you got all of your modes, so you don't have to switch through the screen to change your modes. You have your little knob here that you can switch between the modes that are available on the car. So that I like as well. That's really, really cool. So you can see if you're in terrain and what drive you're in as well. So that's definitely nice. But yeah, that's definitely nice. I like that. So nice handle right here as well to get in and out of. A little bit flat on the interior, but it really comes together quite nice.
I think we're looking at a wolf gray interior.
Yeah.
You've got the whole front panel carried to the back.
Cool. Once again,
You have a beautiful seat.
awesome.
You can angle, give yourself a reclined seat to a degree. You got your air vents, very
Yep.
similar. But
Let's see. Yep.
this still seats better than the Honda Pilot and the Honda Passport. To me.
Oh, okay. I'll
But
have to try that.
look in the back.
Yeah, you got a third row. Only 2 seats. They're not 3 seats. It's a
I
2.
don't know how comfortable they are.
Yeah.
But I was
Okay.
surprised you do have a third row.
All right. Let's see here. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm just gonna jump in real quick. Oh yeah, you're sitting upright like an SUV, not a sedan.
And that's on a
Nice.
slight recline too.
Yep. So we got your 12-volt, and looks like you got a plug in there as well. And then you got USB-Cs in the side here, and you can also see we got a USB-C and a USB up there in the front. So that's nice. But yes, it sits up so much better than the Hondas. That is true. It feels so much better.
Fold it all the way down.
Also got a Bose system in here too.
Or you
That's
pop
nice.
it up.
Oh,
Button
nice.
in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, button in the back won't let you roll it up
Okay.
forwards.
Looks like we got USB-C
Oh,
in
there
the
it goes.
back as well. Oh, nice. So USB-C
Power assist.
in the back. We got, I think we got another 12-volt plug back there. So that's pretty cool. We got cup holder. Got a little tray here, which you can also probably use to get yourself up and out if you needed to.
No air vents for the back.
Not that I see, no. Yeah, see.
trying.
Okay, that's not too bad. Not too bad.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, you're still sitting on the floor though.
You still sitting on the floor back there?
This is
Well,
just
that kind of
for-
makes sense,
These
honestly.
are for small humans.
Yeah. But
In the-
but
in the
this middle
ages-
seat
in
is
the
much better.
ages of 5 to 7.
Yeah. So
Very small.
how much? So
Don't move.
very
back.
small person, you can't move any further back. That's crazy. Okay. So
Power
yeah,
assistant.
nice. Alrighty. So yeah, but definitely the middle seats to the front seats far better sitting position because you don't feel like your feet are all the way up. Yeah,
Suede
that's
headliner.
very comfy. That's very comfy seat
That
there.
is a suede headliner too. Or the Alcantara.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah,
Let me get the
it's
price of
nice. Yeah, please do, so that we can not buy it. That's also a nice roof, actually opens and stuff. That's cool. A very nice car. I like that. Yeah,
Wolf
so much room.
gray,
Okay.
Total is 49,000.
49,000?
40.
Okay.
Crazy price, yes.
Yeah.
But for the features
Overall, yeah, especially with those seat options, That is cool. So let's take a look at the style. Oh,
Don't like the wheels.
now see, once again, if they did the polish, then it would look like those wrench wheels. That's what it would look like. But yeah, that's kind of that is a weird wheel.
The black foam Kia.
So styling on the back, not too bad. See if this one will open for us. Yeah, button. I don't feel any buttons. Yep, no buttons that I can feel anyways. So
It might be a projection.
sensor, yeah, not sure. Got multiple cameras for your backup and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. The LEDs definitely look good. Oh, now this is interesting. Look at this abrupt stop to the roof rail.
Yeah.
That is interesting. Okay.
Yeah, this is kind of a neat breakup of the...
Yeah, breaks it up. Potentially that's so that they can put like the trims and stuff right there, so it's already built in.
Cool headlight design. It's
Yeah.
a very minimal.
But it gives
so
you
much better.
It gives you that continuation from the Telluride to the Sorento. It gives you that same look, which doesn't look too bad. And then,
on that one,
yeah, whatever that one is, the
Those are
Sportage.
the
The
same
Sportage. It goes from Telluride, Sorento to the Sportage, but for the most part, they keep the styling consistent between the three.
this is the same wheel. With
Yeah.
The polish. On the headlight, you have the same design here.
Yeah.
But it looks so much cleaner without the Sportage look.
Right. Yeah, it looks
So
a lot better than the Sportage. Good looking car.
Today, I would like one of these.
Yeah.
This exact spec. I would
And then
think
also I do like how they're doing their logos more of just like it's just flush with the hood and it's actually on the hood instead of being a subsection of the vehicle instead. So it looks really good and clean. So oh, and the black top.
Look
So we
how
got
small
yeah.
this wiper is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. But you see, you also go to from the roof rails all the way back. It's the black top to match with the sunroof that you got going on. That looks pretty good.
It's
So
an amazing journey.
looks good. Alright guys, also saw this, had to talk about it. The beautiful green color here on the Sorento. That is a very pretty green, and then the dark black gray to white interior on this one. That is a very pretty combo. And then the black wheels, kind of a weird wheel style honestly, but really like this color. This looks really, really nice. That's nice. That's a nice green color. Alrighty guys, that is it for us here at the, what is it, the Orlando Car Show?
Orlando International,
There we go.
International Car Show at Orlando.
Also known as the Orange County Car Show, the Central Florida Car Show.
There's a few different names.
There's a few different names that's gone through. But that is it for us. We checked out a whole lot of cars, got to drive out some different cars, which kind of helped us have an opinion about how the cars drive and stuff, which was a lot of fun. So how would you rate the show?
It was a pleasant experience, but nothing like it used to be.
Exactly. Much smarter than it used to be.
Everybody should buy a Durango SRT.
Exactly. Yeah. Help the economy, buy a Durango.
Yes.
So anyways, that is it for us. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. If you want to see some of these videos earlier, you can always become a member on the channel. And we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.